In this video, I will share with you one mega prompt that will optimize and write and create and audit your website in 10 minutes. So this mega prompt that you are seeing here with me will generate the entire copy for your website, 5 main pages that you should have, and pages that should be optimized to make sure that your website is not invisible, to make sure that your website is irresistible. That's the goal here. So my goal is that by the end of this process that we are doing together here, your website will be optimized, the copy will be perfect for your target audience, and many more things that we are doing here together. And to make this very easy for you, I prepare a complete prompt that you can download here on the resources area of this lesson or on the description of the video below, okay? So here is the main prompt that you can just copy and paste, and this will revolutionize the way that your website is structured. If you don't have a website, this will help you to create all the copy from scratch. If you already have a website, you can use this still to make sure that your copy is optimized for your target audience, that is communicating what you need to communicate in order to close the sale and to grow your business. That's what we want here. We want to make your business irresistible, okay? So let's go to the prompt, and this is a very easy process. You can use either Claude or ChatGPT or any other AI. I recommend you Claude because it's my favorite, or my opinion, is the best AI we have right now. All you have to do is just copy the prompt below, and we are doing this together, you and I here on this video, so stay here with me. We are, the other thing you need to do is just replace the brackets, these sections here on the prompt, with your information, and this is for section 3 and 4 of the course. If you are watching the courses in order, this is what you need to bring out here. If you are not, I'll show you what to do. Okay, so let's do this right now. I will copy this prompt, and it's saying just, hey, you are an expert and conversion writing specialist on this area. You will put your niche here. I need you to write a complete copy for my business website in one go. Generate 5 pages: homepage, about us page, service and product page, contact page, and landing page for my main lead magnet. This is mind-blowing. This will run just in one shot, okay? So we need to give AI, in this case Claude, the context about your business, your target audience. So here you have your target audience, you can paste it here. Your unique selling proposition, you can paste it here. Your brand voice and personality, brand positioning. If you said, Diego, I don't have this yet and I'm not watching inside the course, that's okay. You can still use AI and brainstorm together before running this prompt. So you will have all that before, okay? So I will just copy this and let's see what results we have. Here I am on Claude, and now I will just copy this. And let's see what we have. And again, this is already with my information. You see here, we have let's go up here. So you are an expert on, and let's add here online education. And you have all the main things. The target audience is here for my product, the unique selling proposition. And here we are talking about one of my businesses, which is the Irresistible Community, where we help business owners to convert invisible business into irresistible. We have a proprietary process that will complete the whole thing for you. So this is ready. I will run this and let's see what we have. Because I'm running this on Claude, this work a little bit different than ChatGPT, because Claude will create actually artifacts, which is a nice page with clickable buttons. On ChatGPT, you will probably receive just one complete text. One important thing, before we move forward, the prompt will always ask you 3 questions. What's the most common before and after of story of your members? And this is personalized for me. These 3 questions are to give more context to the AI so it will create the absolute best copy. Because I already add all this information here on the prompt, I will say skip the questions. I recommend you to don't do that. Don't skip the questions. I'm just doing that to demonstrate here and make this process easier for you, okay? Wonderful. Now let's write the 5 pages copy. And here start the process. You see it's coming up. We have the home page, about us page, services, contact, and lead magnet, all the things we ask. And again, these are clickable buttons because we're using Claude. On ChatGPT will be a little bit different. And on the landing page, we have here you see here we have the main meta description, the SEO meta description, and we have 3 options on this case of headlines. Okay, on this case you see 1.1 million students learn this method. B, stop being best kept secret in the industry. Your posts show up, nobody sees you. If you don't like this, you can still brainstorm with the AI. You see all the sections here. This is the main homepage of my website. The copy is ready. I can just copy and use this as it is because it has all the context for my page. Next, we have the About Us page. And this is personalized to my business. This is exactly what we have. So we have the headline, the meta description, the About Us page, the 3 paragraph showing what the business is about, the services, what we offer, what the customers will get when they join the community, on this case, the contact page, and we have a landing page, a beautiful landing page with some options to sell our products, okay? This is here for you. All you have to do is just come here, download the PDF and try it yourself.